家好，我来喽. I am your Chinese friend Nora. Welcome back to my channel. Today's topic is family. 我家有4口人. In today's lesson, we have 2 goals. We will learn the vocabulary about family. You will be able to introduce your family members by the end of this class. As for culture, we will learn the Chinese character 家 and its meaning. Okay, let's get started. As usual, we will start from sentence. The first one, 你家有几口人?你家有几口人?你 means you. 你家 family or home. 有 have where there is, there are. 有几 how many. 口 it's a measure word for family members. 人 means person. Together, you, family, have how many? Measure word, person. So it means how many people are there in your family? How many family members do you have? Okay, repeat after me, please. 你家有几口人?你家有几口人?你家有几口人?你家有几口人? Remember, from last class, we have learned the numbers. Let's review a bit. How do we count from 0 to 10? 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, and 2, 2 means 2. How about 3? 3, 3, 4, 4, 4, 5, 5. How about 6? 6, 6, 7, 7, 7, 8, 8, 8, 9, 9 means 9, 9, 9. What about 10? 10, 10. Okay. So if I want to say there are 4 people in my family, what do I say? There are 4 people in my family. 我家有4口人. 4 is 4. We have learned this. 我家, 我 means I or my. 家 is family, home. 有 there be, there is, there are, have. 4 we have explained, it means 4. 口 it's a measure word, and 人 is person. So together, 我家 my home, my family, have 4 measure word, person. It means there are 4 people in my family. Repeat after me, please. 我家有4口人。我家有4口人。我家有4口人。Okay. How do I say that there are 6 people in my family? It's very simple. You just replace the number. 我家有6口人。我家有6口人。And let's review a bit. How do we ask questions? We add ma at the end of the sentence, remember? So if I want to say, are there 4 people in your family? What do I say? We will change 我家 into 你家. Change my home into your home. So it will be 你家有4口人吗?你家有4口人吗? If I want to say yes, there are four people in my family, then I would just say 是的, 我家有4口人。是的，我家有4口人。And if I want to say no, there are 5 people in my family. 不，我家有5口人。不，我家有5口人。Okay, it's quite simple. I didn't read it here because it's kind of like a review. If you want, you can even leave me a comment and I can write it down for you. Alright. Now we have learned how to introduce the number of families, and we can also introduce who they are. We will start with they are my. 他们 means they, 是 am or is, 我的 means my. So they are my. 他们是我的。And then I will give you some more vocabulary so you can introduce who they are. We will start with father, dad, 爸爸 and second one, mother, 妈妈 and 哥哥 is your older brother, and 姐姐 is your older sister. And we have a word for younger brother as well called 弟弟 and younger sister 妹妹 together 爸爸妈妈哥哥姐姐弟弟妹妹 Okay, repeat after me please. 爸爸妈妈哥哥姐姐弟弟妹妹 If I want to say there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, there are 7 members in my family. They are me, my dad, my mom, my brother, my older brother, older sister, younger brother, younger sister. What do I say? 我家有7口人，他们是我的爸爸、我的妈妈、哥哥、姐姐、弟弟、妹妹和我。Okay, let's learn some more vocabulary. How do we say daughter? 女儿 means daughter. And what about son? 儿子 And 爷爷 is the dad of your dad. 爷爷 And 奶奶 is the grandmother of your dad. 外公 is the father of your mom, and 外婆 is the mom of your mom. 外婆 Okay, so together, 女儿儿子爷爷奶奶外公外婆Alright. Now I want to introduce you to one of the most meaningful Chinese characters, 家 At first glance, it just means home or family. But if we look at its ancient form, it tells us a vivid story. So the character 家 is composed of 2 parts. The top parts 年 it represents a roof. And the bottom part, 屎 represents a pig. Why a pig? In ancient China, pigs were a family's most valuable asset. They provided food, income, and even indicated wealth. So a roof plus a pig symbolize not just a house, but a household with stability and prosperity. And culturally, Jia carries a deep value in Chinese life. It's not just a physical place to live, it represents a sense of belonging or harmony and people's hope for a better life. So there is a famous saying, 家和万事兴. 家和万事兴. It means if the family lives in harmony, all affairs will prosper. So, when Chinese people talk about 家, they are not only talking about a house, but also of family members, home, or the foundation of the society itself. It's just amazing how a single character can carry such a rich story and cultural meanings. Alright, let's do a quick review of today's learnings. Quick tip for the color. For the blue text, you should be able to speak it. And for the orange one, you just need to know its meaning. Okay. 你家有几口人？你家有几口人？你家有几口人？我家有4口人。我家有4口人。我家有4口人。他们是我的。他们是我的。他们是我的。他们是我的爸爸妈妈。爸爸妈妈。爸爸妈妈。哥哥姐姐。哥哥姐姐。哥哥姐姐。弟弟妹妹。弟弟妹妹。弟弟妹妹。女儿儿子。女儿儿子。女儿儿子。爷爷奶奶。爷爷奶奶。爷爷奶奶。外公外婆。外公外婆。外公外婆。家家家。家和万事兴。家和万事兴。家和万事兴。Alright, we still have this question from our last video. So in China, your Chinese friend Nora shows you a hand gesture to tell you how many strawberries are needed for a cake. And how many does she mean? Option A, 2. So for 2, you will raise your index finger and middle finger like a V. So we don't choose this one. Option B, 3. For 3, you need to raise your index, middle finger, and ring finger. It's a bit different from Western style. And 6, option C, 6. It's your thumb and pinky extended like call me. So it's C. And what about option D? D8. So for 8, we will use our thumb and index finger like a gun. So for this question, the right choice is C. Got it? Thank you so much for joining me today. If you had fun and want to learn more, make sure to hit that subscribe button. I'll see you next time. Bye.